USPS is experiencing a heavy delay, and I got this package on Saturday. What is this? Let's see. Okay, wow. This one needs rewiring. Here's Talking James. What is this? Spencer. Let me take a look of. Let's test it. This is kind of just missing one piece right here. I haven't seen the note yet. I don't know what's going on. And this is a lady that is missing this part right here, and looks like it's not working. Oh yeah, I think what's trying to work now. It's missing the rubber bands. The eyebrows need some touch up. And this new, this is a Thomas from 2009. Let's see what's going on with this. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's broken. It's loose. Is it working? One of the wheels is cracked right there. Okay, what is going on here? I think it's a custom engine. See, a custom engine. Somebody made a custom engine. Still trying to make a custom. That's nice try. So I think, what's going on here? It needs rewiring. I think it's made out of Spencer, Gordon. Custom everything. I don't know if it's working or not. Remias. What's going on with these Remias? Look at the eyebrows. Okay. This model engine has a serious corrosion problems. It's not working. And here's Percy. Oh, look at that scary eyes from Percy. What is the next model engine? Rusty. Let's see what's going on with Rusty. This set of model engines was sent from a subscriber, and I guess it needs some two custom Trackmaster from Sami. Okay. As you might know, I'm extremely busy. I will try to do my best. I'm still behind on modification and fixing and repair some other model engines from other subscribers. So, as you may understand, I'm still working on those. So, let's see the next little parts right here. Okay, here is one lady that might need a little. Let's see what is going on. Can open. This lady needs a little bit of paint on the roof. The eyes and eyebrows are gone. Sticker, needs this sticker. This one right here. Might need new stickers. So let's see what's going on. Does it work? It's working, but I think the gear is broken. Yes, okay, let's see the note. I will try to do my best. Please, for those who already sent me model engines, thankfully I am no longer selling items, so that will not take my time anymore, and I will focus on fixing your model engines. I'm sorry if I'm being a little bit busy, but you know, it was a kind of, that's the business, you know, I gotta keep moving, and what was one of the reasons I couldn't start. But these two sets, I just got it Saturday, December 19th, and the post office, I mean the USPS is really swamped. There's if you are not familiar with the news, you might see that there are some trucks standing by at the local central facilities on Cleveland, Ohio. They're trying to deliver all the packages, and that's one of the reasons everything is really behind schedule. I can't control that, but now that I'm not selling again, I'm not selling engines, I will go back to restorations and fix and repair the model engines as usual. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.